Hey, it's Alex Malumo here. Today we have this BMW M3 in for a CSL Yellow DRL upgrade, and I'll be walking you through the installation process. So this kit comes with 4 DRL boards and a tube of thermal adhesive paste. These boards are for the left and these are for the right. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos. The first step is to remove the heatsink from the top of the headlight. This is for the inner DRLs. I'm going to be removing 2 T20 Torx screws that are holding in this heatsink. Gently pull the heatsink away from the headlight, turn it around, and there's a locking tab that you can press and pull to release. After that, we need to remove the front wheels to gain access to the guard liner. For the next step, I'll be removing the front guard liner. To do so, we need to remove 13 10mm bolts. After taking off the guard liner, I'll now be removing the heatsink from the back of the headlight, which is held in by 2 T20 Torx screws. The inner T20 Torx screw can be a little bit of a pain to remove because it's so tight. Gently remove the heatsink from the headlight. There is a locking tab behind this socket, so just press that and pull. So we're just heating up the heatsink just so it softens up the existing glue so it's easier to pry off the boards. Just wedge it, screwdriver in there, pop. And I'm just going to repeat the process on the other heatsink. We're going to be using this heatsink plaster to secure the new DRL boards. So we're going to remove the backing paper of the double-sided tape. And we'll apply some plaster at the back. You won't need too much. And we'll repeat the process for the other board. So we're going to remove the backing paper. And just apply the smaller board onto the other heatsink. Now that I've installed both DRL boards onto both heatsinks, I'll be reinstalling it back into the headlight. The top heatsink is for the inner halos, and we're just going to reconnect the plug. Just going to put the Torx screws back into place. Now that the top heatsink has been refitted, I'll be reinstalling this heatsink into the back of this headlight. Before we reinstall the heatsink, just remember to plug everything back in. For the final step, I'll be reinstalling the guard liner and wheel back onto the car.